Hey everybody, it is Matt and Tom here from the Hernandez team, and today we wanted to share a recent case study of a closing we had in the city of Reseda and how we sold it over asking price in a shifting market and beat out the rest of the competition.
So, one of the things that we looked at is pricing, right? We were really looking at market trends, what was going on with that unit. It was a condominium, and we kind of were looking at two big factors, right? Which was growing inventory in the area and buyer demand.
Correct.
And from that, we kind of looked and we were able to pick a price point that was at the lower price per square foot, which was still in there. Because when we looked at a lot of the active properties that were on the market, they had been on the market 19, 22 days and hadn't sold yet. So we knew we couldn't sit in that price point.
Right.
In an upwardly trending market, it was very common for us to really look at what the actives were on the market, not necessarily focus in on pendings and solds. But in this case, now we're not necessarily focusing in on actives, other than to see how many days on market did they stay on, right?
Right. So we're tracking buyer demand because we didn't want to fall into the trap of assuming that our market was accelerating. We noticed that there was a decelerating market. So we wanted to price it strategically to bring as much buyer demand to the property.
Right. And I think that's important to reiterate to everybody is we are not in an accelerating market anymore, but we're not in a declining market.
Right.
We are in a decelerating market. And knowing that, we were able to pick a price that was going to attract a lot of people to come to the property right away.
Yeah.
What else did we do?
Well, we did really top-notch marketing, right? We wanted to make sure that we got really good quality photos in there. That way we could really showcase to the buyers that were in the market what a great property this actually was.
Yeah. High impact marketing right now is going to be more important than ever. Those days of coming in with a iPhone and shooting your properties are going to cut it right now.
Although the cameras are good still.
The cameras are good, but you definitely need the lighting and everything else to back it up, and the imaging afterwards to really show the good quality of the units, because buyers want to make sure that they're walking into something really nice.
Right. So strategic pricing, good quality marketing, and then 3, what else did we do?
The third thing I did is we did really mega open houses. We did a good weekend full of mega open houses that brought the community in in a group setting to come look at this property and made it exciting. Buyers were like, oh my gosh, this was an amazing property. There's 5 or 6 different buyers in at any given moment. This is a good property and we need to bid on this property.
So open houses are back.
Open houses are back. Yeah, absolutely. Mega open houses are back.
Yeah.
So we ended up getting $9,000 over the asking price that we put the property on, which was right in line. The other prices were, except those properties are probably still sitting on the market right now, waiting for a buyer. Meanwhile, my clients closed, moved on, and on to bigger and better things.
Right. Time is money.
Right. So listen, if you're thinking about selling your property right now in a shifting market, make sure you reach out to us right away so that we can create a tailored marketing plan, especially for you. Now, more important is to find a seasoned agent who really is understanding market trends and marketing and how to get your property exposed. All right, we'll see you guys on the next one.
Bye, guys.